Welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create and edit a school admin account on the Viva website. After login, click Users, located in the side panel. Click Admin. The page that opens allows you to manage all your school admins. Click Add Admin and enter all the required details. Click Submit and a new admin account will be created. To edit admin account, click Edit. Once done, click Update to save changes. On Volt, the school admin can add, remove, or edit teachers and students. They can create class groups, add students to class groups, and assign subscriptions to the students. In addition, school admins can track class progress. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.